So our second speaker this evening is Doug Karr. Doug is an author, speaker, podcaster, and has deep roots in the technology industry here in Indianapolis. His online publication includes the MarTech Zone. He's currently the co-host of Dell Luminaries, a podcasting interviewing leaders of innovation throughout the world. He's also a single father of two amazing kids and a veteran of the United States Navy. He's currently launching Veterans Media, a 501c3 charity dedicated to assisting veterans to get the assistance they need. Help me welcome up my good friend Doug Karr.
When did we become good friends? Saturday. Oh, okay. It wasn't on my calendar. Well, how's everybody doing today? Fantastic. I am not saving lives up here, so I kind of feel like I'm going to take it down a notch. I am going to talk about saving your business, though, through digital transformation. One of the fantastic things that I get to do with Dell is interview all of these incredible people, from the McLaren CEO to, Dell's, obviously, Dell's entire staff. And we continue to see the same theories or the same hypotheses happen over and over, where companies are struggling and moving basically from innovation to extinction. And we see that all the time, right? We see folks like Sears who have plenty of money, but they're extinct now. They're gone. What happened internally with their culture that basically stopped them from moving forward? And these are basically the four things that we talk about. Measurement, so things like goals. We talk about experiences, and that's customer experiences. Mindsets internal to the company, and then mindsets with technology as well. The first thing I want to talk about is, what are we talking about when we're talking about transformation? Well, we're talking about with your business, putting technology into the heart of your offerings. Now, that doesn't mean replacing people with technology, but it means augmenting your business with technology. And then why does it matter? Well, less than half of all businesses believe that they're even capable of transformation, which is an incredible stat. And for the first time in history, technology adoption can have an immediate impact on your ROI. So think about your own business now. I was talking to a customer down south that they were talking about putting digital signage in. And the company that was going to sell them digital signage, it was going to be $3,000 for the installation, plus another couple $1,000s for the monitors, everything else. Well, we found a solution online that has thousands of customers, and it's $14 a month. Well, now it's not long-term. Long-term, that investment might have worked out, but the company might have gone under in the meantime because they couldn't save up that money. And so where technology is really becoming affordable is that we can lease computers now. We don't have to buy them. We don't have to put out these massive capital investments for our companies. We can literally subscribe to software online that might be $10 or $20. Wow, that is moving fast. So measurement, the three things that you have to think about with measurement are goals. So what's happening with your business? Are you measuring everything correctly? Industry, a lot of people ignore this, but what's happening with your industry? And then where's the gap between the two? And this is what we're constantly working on with clients, is identifying that gap. And it's because we're so busy with our problems internally that we're not looking external at our industry. Sears wasn't looking external. The newspaper industry wasn't looking at losing classifieds to eBay, all of those things. Holy crap. Experiences. Business is personal. Everybody talks about business and they talk about their features and benefits. Well, when you're buying something for your business, you're not thinking about features and benefits. You're thinking about, is this going to get me a promotion or is this going to get fired? Am I going to be able to make my kids' soccer practice every week, or am I going to be working overtime every day on implementation? Purchases are still personal to this very day. And where technology helps is technology. By augmenting things with technology, you're able to free your time for creativity. And that's where a lot of people talk about technology being the solution. Technology is not the solution. Technology just allows you to have more time to be creative to solve the problems. Woo! So I already talked about that, so I'm going to fly by. Wow, 0. Here's where to find me online.
Don't delay. Get your ticket for the next Sparks event today.